Right on time.
Oh boy, last one here. Who's here?
Now that you're here, let's get to work.
Everybody suit up!
So we have 7 months, 5 days, 13 hours, and 2 minutes until Worlds. What's the plan?
So we could...
Not important!
Okay, so we have 12 members, right? 3 robots, 12, 24, N, J, and B. N is the shooter, J is the tennis ball collector, and B is Pac-Man. We need new robots to qualify for Worlds. Step 1. Identify problem areas.
What do we need to modify?
To the drawing board!
We have 3 designs. N scored greater than 120 points for programming skills. In order to increase the amount of balls per second, we need to change our design from the ground up. We need to put a planar transmission in the base in order to change from speed to torque. We need to create an intake that can score quickly and accurately, and we need a way to lift other robots.
Well, Tim and I have been working out of the meetings on designs, and I think we have it hammered out. We just need to build it.
So who's going with who?
Well, I hate Tim, so I'm going with Aditya.
So Lisa, Jeremy, and I can work on the online challenges and logbook. Who's good at building? We're trying to determine individual strengths.
So why don't we work on the ramp? We could also teach Sindhu how to build since she's new to the team.
Flywheels?
I can work in the new flywheels.
Not important!
I can work in the new flywheels. Should we work with all flywheels and 12 turns for N so he can work with me?
Flip gears?
Me. Me.
Me.
Me!